أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 5 ayahs of Surah Rahman. Okay, fine. So I'm going to recite it first inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان حور مقصورات في الخيام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. First is ayah number 71. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي one haraka, and this ya should be emphasized and don't pronounce it like Hamza. It's not فبأي, it is فبأي. Okay, two haraka, Hamza with standing fatha, and this one for 4 count, minimum 4, or you can keep it for 5 haraka as well. Alai Rabbikuma, ra heavy, emphasizes ba, and this alif madya for 2 haraka. Rabbikuma tukadhiban, dal with no buzzing sound. It's not tukazzi, it is tukadhi. Okay, and alif saghira can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 count according to madul arid lisukun inshallah, and we will just keep it for haraka now. Okay, فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان حور مقصورات في الخيام. حور, very sharp, it's not hurun, it is hurun. Hurun, 2 haraka wa madya, but this ra must be heavier. Okay, hurun, run, not run, ru, heaviness. Do isti'ala, create that narrow space in your mouth and making it bit heavier. Hurun, tanween followed by mim, do idgham with 2 haraka gunna. Hurun maqsuratun. Okay, 2 haraka gunna here on this mim. Maq, qafida, qalqala, don't do hums. Even if you do qalqala, few sisters are doing hums as well, like maq. This kh kind of sound is coming when you include a breath in it. Don't include any kind of air, extra air is not required here. Maq, okay, maqsu, not su, heaviness. It's a bit difficult for the beginners to make it heavy, especially the heavy letters with dhamma and kasra. Try making it heavier with fatha, then practice by keeping your tongue position in the same way and just encircle your lips to produce dhamma sound like a saw, su. Okay, the tongue position must be same exactly how you say saw in English, just like a saw, 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 doing isti'ala, saw. Just encircle your lips. Su. In this way it will be a bit easier for you. Okay, 2 haraka due to this waw maddiya. مقصورة. The ra as well, it must be heavy because it has standing fatha. Stretch it for 2 haraka. مقصورات. مقصورات. But ta must be heavy. There are 2 heavy letters here and also this qaf. So don't make this a ta heavier, okay? مقصورات. Tanween followed by fa. Do ikhfa. With 2 haraka غنة. مقصورات في not tun, no izhar, في okay. حور مقصورات في الخيام. في ya madya is cancelled because next is hamzatul wasl. We will just connect fa to lam. Fil khiyam. Kha a bit heavier, not completely khi, just little like a khi. Khiyam. Alif madya for 2, 4 or 6 count according to madul arid lisukun inshallah. حور مقصورات في الخيام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي one حركة يا مشدد emphasize it. آلاء آلاء Hamza 2 count. This for 4 haraka madal wajib muttasil. Rabbikuma ra heavy and meme for 2 haraka. Tukadhiban. Don't emphasize it, but don't do any buzzing sound. It's not tukadhizi. Okay. This alif saghira for 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 count, but we are just keeping it 4 haraka throughout the surah. Alright, alhamdulillah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. Lam meme sakin, just do izhar. No need of any gunna there because next letter is ya. Izhar shafawi lam. Yatomithunna. Yato. Make ya light, to heavier. Don't say yoto. Okay, this word came earlier also, right? And many of you recited like a yo. It's ya, to a bit heavier. Yato. Yato. Okay, with the qalqala. Miss, this is a which no whistling sound. It should not sound yato miss. Sin is wrong. It is a tha. Yato miss hunna. Many of you did qalqala here, but not on ta. You did qalqala on ta, like yat. Yani it was lighter, and you did qalqala, and also you did hums. This is not a letter of hums. There should be no involvement of extra breath, no need of extra air over there. Just say yato. Okay, yato miss hunna. Noon mushaddad 2 haraka gunna. Lam yatomithunna insun. Ikhfa 2 haraka gunna. Insun. Tanween followed by qaf again. Ikhfa 2 haraka gunna. Insun qablahum. Qab, ba with the qalqala and the qaf. Don't make it very light like a qab. Qab is wrong. Qaf is huruf al-musta'aliya, right? It should be at least little heavier like a qa. Not so much like a qa. This is not required. Very heaviest letter is a ta, dha, sad and dad. Here it is just a little heavier qa. Okay. Qablahum, mim sakin, no gunna here. Izhar al-shafawi. Wala, compulsory you have to stretch this lam for 2 haraka or else you'll be doing lahan al-jali. Okay. La means no. If you just make it 1 haraka, it is as if you're saying yes over here. Okay. Wala jan. 6 haraka for this madal lazim kalimi musaqqal. Madal lazim, which is due to tajdeed, that is what is musaqqal, and it is in a word, that is what is kalimi. Okay. and this noon with 2 haraka gunna while stopping with sakin inshallah. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. 2 haraka gunna must be there at the end inshallah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي same thing 1 haraka. Ya mushaddad emphasize it. آلاء Hamza 2 haraka and this for 4 haraka inshallah. Mad al wajib muttasil. Rabbikuma ra heavier. Mim for 2 count. Tukadhiban. Emphasize this dal with no buzzing sound, and you can stretch this for 2, 4 or 6 count inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the rulings of these ayahs. Just 2 new ayahs here, right? Rest is just fabiyayi. And alhamdulillah, very important points here is heavy letters and also qalqala on few letters here, right? Do gunna as well. The gunna is in many places, here, and here and here. Okay, and make this a sod raw heavy and here a ta heavy. Fine. So inshallah, let's recite it now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
حور مقصورات في الخيام.
مقصورات في الخيام.
حور مقصورات في الخيام.
حور
Ha very sharp. We should not sound who. It's who. Okay. حور مقصورات في الخيام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. Okay, this is not miss, it is a tha. Okay, with no whistling sound. It's a yato miss. Okay, inshallah. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. حور مقصورات في الخيام. حور مقصورات في الخيام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So we have completed reciting. If you have any doubts related to tajweed in these ayahs, you can ask. Just few things here. It is maq, qafid, qalqala, su and ra. Both must be heavy. Surah. Okay, surah. In this way it must be heavier, and ha, it's not who, it is hurun. Hurun. The sharp sound should be there. Ya to. Ya must be light. Don't make it heavier like a yaw. Ya to. Ya to. Miss, not miss. It is a sa. The tip of the tongue should touch the corners of your upper incisor teeth. Ya to. Miss. Hunna. And gunna here is in many places. Two haraka gunna here, two haraka here, two haraka here, and here as well. qablahum. Ikhfa in two places, okay? Jan, you have to stretch this for 6 haraka, then do 2 haraka gunna here. Like Jan, that gunna for 2 haraka must be there, okay? Alhamdulillah. Any other doubts here? No doubts? Okay, Alhamdulillah. I hope you understood. Recite well, practice well, inshallah. Okay, let's end the meeting. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Jazakallahu khairan katsiran.
Okay, alhamdulillah.